You're looking for ways to do things better, to improve design, to move faster, to save money, and to be energy efficient. It's all possible with tilt-up construction. Tiltwall is Ontario's construction leader in tilt-up, having erected more than 60 buildings and thousands of panels over 20 years. We work with you to create a plan. Then we'll get to work, pouring the concrete slab, creating forms, building the walls, lifting the panels, and completing the structure. The construction process is unique, but it's not. Tilt-up has been around for over 100 years. Tilt-up construction gives you the plan, shape, and style needed to allow you to curve further, color bolder, and dream bigger. Using large panels and smaller crews without scaffolding or complex erection forms, Tiltwall can raise a 100,000 square foot building in as little as 4 months. Reduced job site cost and lower operational costs make tilt-up the best option for everyone. Before, during, and after construction. High-efficiency insulation is sandwiched in our large concrete panels, which store heat and reduce air infiltration. This helps reduce energy use by up to 35%. It's for these reasons that Tiltwall has been so often chosen to design and erect versatile tilt-up structures. Schools, apartments, warehouses, sports facilities, and a variety of other structures all over Ontario. Every time we undertake a project, we forge lasting relationships and benefit Ontario's building owners, architects, and general contractors with quality products and services that exceed expectations. We invite you to think differently, to build efficiently, and to innovate constantly. Tiltwall will work with you every step of the process. Take the first step by reaching out to us today.